Guys, today I really want to fidget trade. Why? Because I have so many fidgets, but they're all lame. That's why I want to fidget trade with one of my cool friends who has a lot of those. I have my fidget board ready. Do you want to fidget trade with me? Sure. Why not? Oh my god, thank you so much. I've got one of my handmade sushis and my avocado keychain. I've got one of these ASMR fidget stuff, fidget things, and this squishy. Yes, give me that. Thanks. Now I have this keychain squishy and one of my handmade needles, which is really bad. I've got one of these 3D printed fidget thing and a pull clicker. Give me more. Oh fine, this is one of my favorite ones, but here you go. Here, I love this one. Here, this is like a duck squishy, and I have a fake version of a needle. Cool. I have like a milk squishy, a banana squishy, and a yellow apple squishy. I really don't want to give away my clear squishy bit here. Okay, I can take that. I'm gonna scam her. Bro, really? Fine. Here's my glittery paw. Really, I'll give you my mini paw squishy and my bear topper squishy. Are you kidding me? Like, I'm nearly out of squishies. Fine, here you go. I'm gonna give you a handful and you can't say plus. Sorry. You're naughty. Fine. This time you can't say plus. I'm out like all squishies. That's a lot. So annoying. Oh my god. Guys, I'm out of squishies except this very bad handmade squishy. Bro. Guys, I'm scammed. Look how many squishies I've got. And look how many she has got.